here is your L-shaped living and the dining area. This is your kitchen with the platform right over here. Once you enter, you can have a look at this more spacious room. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Park City, which is located right here in Niladri Nagar in Electronic City in South Bangalore. And this project is developed by Brain Corporation. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now I'm inside the land parcel, and this is the marketing office of the project. So let me inform you, the land parcel starts from here and goes up to 16 acres. Now about the main entrance. So your main entrance will be right in front of me over here, connected to Hulimangla main road. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So basically, Park City is spread across 16 acres of land parcel, which is divided in 2 phases. Currently launching with phase 1, which is spread across 10 acres with 6 towers of 2 basement ground plus 7 floors, having 3 BHK premium residencies, and additionally they have 1 BHK as well. Basically, this is the low density project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities. And one more thing to inform over here, that the project is based on park theme. There is 73% of open space, 5 acres of greenery. Coming to the amenities, here you can have a look. This is the basketball court, cricket pitch, 22,000 square feet of dual clubhouse. Additionally, there are 9 types of garden, that is the park, with its own name and own specific amenities. Other amenities like a swimming pool, kids play area, and many more. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Hulimangla main road in Niladri Nagar in Electronic City, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of your project. And now about the main road. So this is your Hulimangla main road, and this road will connect you towards Niladri Nagar, and this road will take you towards proper Hulimangla. Now about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Serene International School in 1.6 km, D-Mart is 4.8 km away, Electronic City Metro Station is 5.6 km, and even you can connect to Toll Plaza in 4.5 km from the location of your project. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1666 square feet super built up area, and on the entrance they are providing with a wider door than usual. So once you enter, this is your foyer area for your privacy, and right inside over here, here is your L-shaped living and the dining area. First, let's focus upon the living area. So this comes up with the flooring, and this is the vitrified flooring over here. The couch area, the TV unit space, and a beautiful balcony which is connected towards your living area. So this is your balcony, comes with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now let's focus upon the dining area. So exactly in front of your kitchen area, they are providing a dining area, so you can fit up your dining table right over here with the easy access to the kitchen. And now once you enter towards your kitchen area, this is your kitchen with the platform right over here with enclosed dry balcony, which is divided by a tile rope. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the provision for your machines. You can have a look at the kitchen area with the beautiful interior work done with cabinets, the platform, the space for your refrigerator, And now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom. So all the 3 bedrooms are right over this side. So let's move further. And this is a passage area which you have to take. So this side is your bedroom number 1. Let's move inside your bedroom number 1. So once you step inside, you can have a look at this bedroom with a bed space right over here, the study table or else the work table. You can place the window for ventilation and lighting purpose right over here. Comes with a mosquito mesh and iron railing, that is a grill as well. Now the wardrobe space is right over the side, so you can add your wardrobe over here. So once you step out of your bedroom number 1 with the easy access, they have provided a common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2, which is just behind me, but before that let's focus upon this space. You can add up your work table, your study table, or else use this space in a multi-purpose way. And this is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter inside this bedroom, you can have a look at the space over here. There is ample of space to move around with the bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, again with the iron grill. Here's your wardrobe space. You can fit in your wardrobe over this side, and this bedroom comes with a private washroom as well. This is your private attached washroom with anti-skid flooring and toughened glass railing. And now we'll be moving towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So right beside this room is your master bedroom. So the uniqueness starts from the flooring, and this is your wooden flooring. So once you enter, you can have a look at this most spacious room in the house. This is a bed space right in the center, and here's your private balcony as well. Before that, this is your TV unit space. The balcony comes with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and you can enjoy a perfect view. So there's perfect ventilation in this room and lighting as well. You can have a look at the lighting. Here's your wardrobe space. Now about the washroom area. So here's your washroom, the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Brent Corporation's project. Have you checked another project with Brent Corporation? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.